hormones start lies the pituitary, the master part. It may rise too high or fall too low. Balance of life that we all must know. Hypo means less, hyper means more. Each side of balance opens the door. Anterior, posterior, two small ends controlling the body with gentle hands. When too much is made, the growth can grow. Acromegaly in adults, the signs will show. In children, gigantism takes its way. From a tumor eosinophilic, they say. Basophilic tumors, they bring the scene. Cushing's disease with cortisol's dream. Face grows round, sugar runs high. Pituitary whispering reasons why. Hyper or hypo, learn it right. Keep the balance day and night. Hormones rise, hormones fall. Pituitary center, master of all. When it slows, the growth stays small. Dwarfism stands quiet and tall. Panhypopituitarism, loss all around. Trophic hormones cannot be found. Posterior lobe has its say. ADH keeps water in play. If head trauma breaks the line, diabetes insipidus is the sign. Lithium drugs, tumors too, can block ADH, it's true. How do we know? Look inside. Serum hormones will be our guide. MRI and radiation fine. Stereotactic surgery draws the line. Sometimes dopamine blocks the way. Antagonists keep tumors at bay. Hypo or hyper, know the clue. Anterior, posterior, both in you. Tiny gland with mighty command. Pituitary power in your hand. From hormones to growth, from thirst to tone. Pituitary keeps the body's throne. Learn it soft, remember true. The master gland